How is lockdown treating you?
I'm very well, Ruchi. It's been treating me. I can't complain. I have good food. I have a good house. So yeah, I'm in a better environment than most people. I'm lucky, and I have a lot of gratitude towards that. So yeah, but yeah, I'm doing better, much better.
Okay, so are you doing anything apart from like collecting applause for Thappad? Anything else?
That is really sweet. Uh, yeah, it's been a roller coaster ride for I think everyone. We are just trying to figure out, trying to be a little more positive towards life and figure out where is going to take us because none of us know. Nobody knows right now. So I'm doing exactly the same thing everyone's trying to do. My lockdown is going exactly the way everyone else is going. We're trying to, uh, try to make trying to make lemonade out of lemons because that's the only thing you can do right now. And try to look at the brighter side of life and praying to God that this thing kind of gets over with and we can all get back to our lives and become a little more uh, less frustrated with all of this. Probably if that's the correct word I can use.
Okay, so since we are still not over Thappad, so what has been the best compliment you have received for your performance in the film? You have been noticed in a big
It's
way.
it's 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 very hard to pick like one one compliment that was given to me, but a lot of people, the best thing was for me that it wasn't the just the fans, the industry also quite they came up and they called and they messaged and they wanted to appreciate new talent and all that, which was damn nice, and it was overwhelming. A lot of people who related with the film wrote to me like big emails, and I think one of them was a lot of men actually messaged me, which was the nicest thing. And they kind of messaged me and said, "This is exactly who I was, and this is exactly who I am." And you kind of showed me that the world doesn't go around me, and the world is not centered around me, and I have to look uh, deeper into myself to figure why am I thinking like this, and it kind of showed me that people are willing to change. They just need a nudge in the right direction, and people are willing to change. And if we can just give them a little nudge only, I think the film has done a great job. If we were able to just give some people that, what, maybe we are looking at it from a very different point of view, and if we change perspective for a little while, maybe things could be much different and happier and nicer.
Yeah, so how was it to work with Taapsee and Anubhav Sinha? Both are very strong personalities.
Very strong personalities, but very very welcoming and very happy personalities. The good thing about these people, both of them, are they are very positive and energetic people, and they have no filter when it comes to anything that they want to say. That's sometimes good and sometimes bad. But most of it is very very good. I was welcomed with open arms, which I thought was uh, so beautiful that I can't even thank them enough for it. Uh, they have been only nice to me, and till now, both of them are very, very like I call them for every little advice that I need, and I think I got some. I found a great friend, and for life. So it's been a joy working with them. Of course, working with them professionally has been a joy in itself. But उसके बारे में तो मैं क्या ही बोलूं. But other than that, personally, it's been a growth for me, being with these people and learning about them, and having conversations with them.
So was there a major takeaway from the shoot? You must have picked up something, anything like that.
In terms of me as a person, or in terms of the film is saying?
Anything you want to share.
I've I you know Taapsee, I'll tell you about Taapsee. I think she broke that mold of for me, which I thought an actor is supposed to be, a successful actor is supposed to be. An actor who comes with 7 people, 10 people, two bodyguards, and all that. She kind of broke that mold for me because she didn't have a crew. She didn't want a crew. She doesn't have a manager on set. She doesn't. She has her makeup person and she has a boy and that's it, and she doesn't want too much chillam chilli on happening on set, and she doesn't need bodyguards. And I thought that was amazing because she only focused on her work, and she said other things weren't important. And I, that kind of changes your whole perspective of looking at things, which I really admired about her. Other than that, with Anubhav sir, I kind of took like this lesson that this life will give you a lot of curveballs, because he has been through so many ups and downs with his previous films, and then suddenly this Anubhav Sinha 2.0 emerges and becomes another person, another filmmaker completely altogether. And for the longest time, nobody used to after Ravan, nobody actually spoke about him, and he was completely vanished from the industry. So, but that stride of and that passion and that positivity of doing something, if you just keep that positive side alive and you want to do something and not blame others for what your failures were or what your successes were. देखो, सक्सेस भी आपका है, फेलियर भी आपका है. You cannot say कि सक्सेस सिर्फ मेरा है पर फेलियर उसकी वजह से हुआ था. So if you just own up that you're successful because of you, and you're failing because of you, I think you can come a long way. And that's what I learned from Anubhav sir for sure.
So we came to know that Taapsee, the main scene, which was the slapping scene, it was filmed many times to just record how a slap can take place. So what was the brief given to you when you were supposed to slap Taapsee as an actor?
Yeah. So we used to block the scene just before we were about to shoot it. So we used to come on set, we used to block it, and then we used to go to our vanity vans and change and get our makeup done and come back to it. That scene was a little difficult because also it was like a one take thing we did, and I was very, 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 very nervous because I didn't want to hit Taapsee, and it had to be a real slap. So it was a little difficult, and I was very, very nervous. I was sweating profusely, and my heart rate was just increasing like a monster. But it took us 7 takes to do it. Because पहली बार जब पहली 2-3 बार थप्पड़ कभी यहाँ लग रहा है, कभी उंगलियां लग रही हैं, it didn't have the impact, कभी sound off जा रहा है, कभी the focus isn't right. So that kept on building more tension in me. But by the 6th take, Taapsee just told me कि listen, just come and slap me, just don't think about it, बस मार दे. And I think वो 7वां take हुआ, and then I hugged her and apologized, and I just ran to my van and was like, I don't want to see anyone right now. I just want to run away from this place.
Okay, so have you slapped someone in real life? What was the reaction then?
मुझे इतना याद नहीं. बचपन में ऑब्वियसली लड़ाइयाँ हुई थी, और एक आई रिमेम्बर स्कूल बस में मेरी लड़ाई हो गई थी, थप्पड़ पड़े भी थे और थप्पड़ मारे भी थे. बट उसके बाद I'm not a very confrontational person. I don't like to get into fights and arguments and all of that. I stay away from it. तो मेरी वैसे तो कभी, and I used to do taekwondo when I was growing up. तो उधर fights होती थी, but those were controlled fights. Those weren't to hurt someone. Those were to win points. But otherwise, I haven't been into fights, thankfully, touch wood. I can have fights with words, because I think I'm intellectual enough to defeat people with my words rather than getting into physical altercations. I think people get into physical fights when they don't have the mental capability of conveying their point, or when they get frustrated, or when they don't have the intellectual level of saying what they need to say. तभी हाथ उठता है ना. So that's what I think.
So do you think if Thappad released and lockdown happened soon after, things could have been different if things wouldn't have happened this way? The film didn't get its due, do you think? Or are you like satisfied?
I think the film is a very, very small point in terms of what has happened, throughout the world. So I'm not gonna say कि film का क्या होता, पूरी दुनिया का क्या हो रहा है यार इस वक्त. A lot of so many people don't have food or shelter right now. I think our film is a very, very small problem compared to what the whole world is going through. So obviously, agar I wish we could go back in time and pandemic na ho, and corona nahi aaya, jo bhi hai, but it's destroyed more lives, and our film of that कि 2 week बाद उतर गई and lockdown हो गया, that's a very small price to pay for what has happened.
Okay, so Kavil, do you also have a story? We are talking things these days. We are talking about insider, outsider, nepotism. Everything is going on. So, do you also have a story of struggle? Now you are a popular face. You must be having a story. Have you like tried?
Everyone has a story.
Yeah.
Everyone has a story. I'm sure you have a story. But these keywords that have just uh, we made it into this insider, outsider, and nepotism. ये जो 3 words जो बना के generalize कर दिया ना सब चीजों को, I completely, I don't know what to say. It's completely stupid to actually have a conversation with these 3 words. Just मतलब कुछ साल पहले तक किसी को नेपोटिज्म का मतलब ही नहीं पता था, और अभी भी आई थिंक आधे लोगों को यूज करना नहीं आता है. They just know what this word is. There is no context to what anyone is saying right now. The point is everyone is just screaming and debating over it, while there shouldn't be a debate. There should be a conversation if something is wrong. आप चिल्ला के किसी को कुछ बोलोगे, उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, उससे कुछ चीजें सीधी नहीं होंगी, उससे चीजें ठीक नहीं होंगी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो, और किसी को पुल डाउन करके तो वैसे भी कोई चीज नहीं होगी. The idea what has happened now is मेरा एक्सपीरियंस सबसे अच्छा है, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ही करेक्ट है, बाकी सबके एक्सपीरियंसेस खराब है. मतलब if I agree with you, then you will not troll me. But if I say something of my experience, यार मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो ऐसा नहीं था, then I will get trolled. Why is that? Everyone has different experiences. Everybody has a different way of looking at things. कुछ लोग होते हैं जब कोई गिरता है तो हंसते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं जब कोई गिरता है तो बचाने जाते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं जब कोई गिरता है तो वो खड़े रहते हैं. Everybody reacts to different things at that moment. And मैं ये भी नहीं बोल रहा जो हंस रहा है वो गलत है, क्योंकि मेरे साथ होता है, मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड जा रहे होते हैं और अगर वो गिर जाए या मैं गिर जाऊं, हम दोनों पहले एक दूसरे पे हंसेंगे और फिर हम उसको उठाएंगे. But that's how we live our lives. Doesn't mean she's bad or am I bad. But there should be more empathy towards what people are saying rather than just complete disregard for their experiences and their voice.
Have you faced
That's what
something,
I think.
have you faced something similar, like if I was an insider, things could have been easier? Are you of that view?
If I
Someone
was,
got it easier than me.
see,
I have to struggle so much.
But everyone will have a different experience. That's what I'm trying to say. How can I have a same experience that you have? How can a person, I'm privileged in that way that my parents were so supportive of me becoming an actor that they said, beta, do what you want to do. There are so many people who are not privileged like me. जिनके parents तो कभी support नहीं करेंगे to become an actor. Privilege is from a perspective. Privilege is not just one standard of privilege. Privilege बहुत तरीकों से आती है, बहुत जगहों से आती है. It's the way you look at it. Of course, there will be struggles, but किसकी struggles नहीं है? You think मेरी struggle ज़्यादा important है किसी और की struggle से, या किसी और की struggle ज़्यादा important है मेरी struggle से? नहीं. It's the way you look at it. Of course, there will be struggles, but I chose to. If this is a problem, I chose, okay, I fell down. Now what do I do? If I just start blaming other people for my failures or their failures, the point, फिर तो मैं कभी आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाऊंगा यार. The idea is to get up, take a next step, and move forward.
Okay, so
I'm here only because of patience and positivity and, working hard, and that's it. I keep blaming other people for what I couldn't achieve. Of course, मैं Jeff Bezos का बेटा होता तो मैं कहाँ होता?
Right.
I mean, but it's the way you look at it. There are so many successful people who are still unhappy and bitter. There are so many. It's about happiness. What gives you happiness? Yeah, by the end of it, you can choose to think about just the negative parts of life, or you can think about being positive. And I'm not saying ignore the negative, but make them better, but not by being bitter.
Right. So, are you getting any more offers? What are your future plans? Anything ahead?
Yeah, future plans are going to be, I think they are going to announce a film that I'm going to do, but वो lockdown ka, it depends on when we are going to shoot it. So once we know when are we going to shoot it, we are going to announce it. I can't say anything because I will be in trouble, and Ruchi, I don't want to be in trouble, yeah. And I really love this director, and I'm just looking forward to working. with this director, and I just hope things become better, and then I will do this. We'll have a conversation again, and I'll tell you about the project then.
I would love to see you again, and let's meet up again for that. Till then, good luck.
Done.
Thank you.
Thank you.